How's it going? This is Jason, Econ Windows. Just finished up at a commercial site. This is going to be a learning center, preschool, and we just went ahead and installed a 13 wood doors with timely frames in this school. Over here we have what they call Dutch doors. They're basically just a half a door. This is for when the children are going potty and they need teacher assistance. And this half door with a full-time frame. Next up this school, we're going to go ahead and put these windows in, these empty holes right here. Give us a call. You got a commercial project, need some doors hung, some windows, film, tint, screens. We're your company. Give us a call anytime. This is Jason, Econ Windows. See you soon.